Good morning, dear students of class 8. So, Miss School Nagina brought for you the test paper solution of English Literature Mulberry, which was given to you in your last class. This test paper we have given you, and we told you to do it at home. Now you can match your answers for the test paper for chapter 1. There were questions which were based on the read the lines. I'll read question as well as answer for you. You can pay attention and you can match your answers. Those are correct answers, they can award marks, and those are not correct, accordingly you deduct marks and inform me how many marks you got in the comment box. Okay, so here we start. We've given you read the lines. I think this was a bad idea, said Bruno few words after they arrived while Mario was unpacking his suitcase upstairs. How long had Bruno been at the house before he decided that the move was a bad idea? So that was there. We have seen that Bruno had been at the house only a few hours when he decided that it was a bad idea to have moved to this new place. So that carrying 2 marks, if you have written this answer, you can award 2 marks. Bruno was talking to his mother. Question was, to whom did Bruno say these lines? So Bruno was talking to his mother, or Bruno said these lines to his mother. Both are correct. Then, third question was, what did the listener say in reply? Bruno's mother said that the other way was to try and make the best of a bad situation and accept what has come their way. So, this is what your third answer for read the lines. And question 1 answer is over. It was of 6 marks, 2 3 is 6. So those who got 6 full marks give full 6 marks. Then we have answer second. We have given those questions from read, reflect, and write part, and it was long answers. So you have to see what was the answer. Question was, is Bruno's mother happy about the move? How do you know? Bruno's mother does not appear very happy about the move, but is just taking things as they come because there is no choice. This is evident from the manner in which she responds to Bruno's remark that moving to this house was a mistake and that they should go back. She does not say that this is a beautiful house and such, but just says that you should make the best out of what you get. Bruno's mother understands the nature of her husband's job and also her husband's nature enough not to protest to the move. So that was answer second first part. I hope you have written. If you have written implied meaning also, you can give full marks, but meaning must not change. Okay, and grammar mistake must not be there, like tenses error should not be there. If all these are there, you have to deduct the marks. Okay, so in front of parent you sit, in front of your parents you sit and you match. Second question we given you, why do you think Bruno felt he was about to cry even though he was with his family? Bruno was about to cry even though he was with his family because he missed his old home in Berlin that they had left behind. He missed all the good things and friends and memories that he had collected there. Nothing seemed to be friendly or warm in the new house, which appeared so desolate and cold and lonely. In fact, he felt that he would not even have friend in his new house. So that is 4 marks and full answer is over. Next part we have given you from antonyms. We have given you 3 antonyms. First, crowded, answer is empty, EMPTY. Second, freedom, answer is stuck, STUCK. And noisy, that is antonym of noisy, is quiet. If you have written all 3 correct, then you can award 3 marks. Next part, dear student, we have taken from word meanings. So up to now we have discussed 17 marks answer. We have given you desolate. The meaning is uninhabited or seeming as if it is empty. So one of them is correct. If you have written either one of them, you can award 1 mark. And if you have written both also, it's well and good. Then dizzy, we have second word dizzy, light-headed feeling as if one is spinning around. So there are not two choices are not there, only one choice. light-headed, only comma is there, not semicolon. Semicolon is there, then we can make it separate, but it is comma, so it is half part. If you have written half, you have to avoid half mark. If you have written full, after comma also you have written feeling as if one is spinning around. So that is full up, 1 mark answer. Then last we have given hilarious. Hilarious means extremely funny. So this you can give like this, full 1 mark. Let me know who scored full marks and who lost less marks or more marks. Mention in comment box after checking. Now we are on poem part, line composed. We are on poem part, line composed in a wood on a windy day. This poem was made, you understood. Now this is the time to write this poem in your notebook because it is important for your internal assessment also. I'll read for you. At the same time, I'll show you how to recite, and you can write at the same time this full poem and word meaning also you can write. My soul is awakened, my spirit is soaring, and carried aloft on the wings of breeze. Around me the wild wind is roaring, arousing to rapture the earth and the seas. The long withered grass in the sunshine is glancing, the bare trees are tossing their branches on high, the dead leaves beneath them are merely dancing, the white clouds are scudding across the blue sky. I wish I could see the ocean, how the ocean is lashing, the foam of its billows to whirlwinds fray. I wish I could see how its proud waves are dashing and hear the wild roar of their thunder today. So, like this three stanza poem, you have to write poet name also, you can poetess name also, you can write Anne Bronte. Now, dear student, we are on page number 29, I hope so, to give you making connections of this poem. Choose the correct answer is there. The poem is set. First option is correct in a wood. Then for B, in this poem, Anne Bronte described the effect the wind has on her, the earth and the ocean. The wind has on her and the earth and ocean. So first option is also correct for B. For C, the pattern of rhyming scheme that we have to see rhyming scheme means how first line and second line are rhyming to each other. That's why A B A B. Second option, first line and second line, you see they are rhyming, A line to B line and again A line to B line. So like this, first two lines are rhyming to each other. That's why we are saying A B A B. Second option is correct. Then we are coming on second question. Read these lines and answer the question that follow. My soul is awakened, my spirit is soaring, and carried aloft on the wings of breeze. What causes the poet to feel joyful? And there are many other meaning also. Other questions are there. What, according to the poet, is carried with the breeze? What does the poet mean by soul is awakened? So keep your notebook ready. We have now for second question first answer. The poet feels happy because of the lovely breeze and its effect on the surrounding. As the once dried grass shines, the white clouds wade across the sky. The branches of the trees move and the dry leaf dance in the wind. The poet feels joy at this liveliness all around. So, like this, we have completed our first part. I repeat, question was what causes the poet to feel joyful? The poet feels happy because of the lovely breeze and its effect on the surrounding. As the once dried grass shine, the white clouds wade across the sky, the branches of the trees move and dry leaves dance in the wind. The poet feels joy at this liveliness all around. So, like this, you can complete. Second question is what, according to the poet, is carried with the breeze? The soul and the spirit of the poet are carried along by the breeze. So that's what we have. Second answer. Our third question is what does the poet mean by soul is awakened? By the word soul is my soul is awakened is the poet wants to say that she feels so happy as a result of the breeze blowing that it feels as if her very soul has been awakened from slumber. What is slumber? Slumber is light sleep here. Okay. Let us see now second question. The long withered grass in the sunshine is glancing. The bare trees are tossing their branches on high. Explain the long withered grass in the sunshine is glancing. Which season of the year it is and how do you know? Why are the trees tossing their branches? Let us see now for B first. Explain the long withered grass in sunshine is glancing. So these words describe how the grass that has withered is shining again in the sunshine owing to the wind. So, these words describe how the grass that has withered is shining again in the sunshine owing to the wind. So, that is correct answer. Now, second, which season of the year it is, how do you know? This is autumn season, dear students. How do we know? We know it by the phrase that is the bare trees. When you will read the lines which is given above, you will see the bare trees are there. The bare trees are found only in the autumn season. Why in autumn season? Because their leaves are shed only in the season. So that is correct answer. The bare trees, as bare trees are found in only autumn season when their leaves are shed. Third, the bare branches. What is the question here? Let us see. Why are the trees tossing their branches? You know, the trees does not have leaves because all the leaves have been shed. The bare branches of the trees are blowing in the breeze. So branches only will blow in the breeze. Therefore, the author says that they are tossing their branches. Leaves are absent, so they are tossing their branches. Okay, I hope it's clear now. Let us see now C question. See here, we have C question here. I wish I could see how its proud waves are dashing and hear the wild roar of their thunder today. What does the poet want to see? What are the waves called proud? Give an example of personification. The lines above. Let us see. The poet wants to see the movement of the ocean because of the wind. What the poet want to see? The poet wants to see the movement of the ocean because of the wind. Second question is, why are the waves called proud? The waves are called proud since they are rising due to the wind to such a height that it gives an impression of them being big, imposing, and proud. Then, the words wild wind and proud waves are examples of personification. The question is, give an example of personification from the lines above. So, wild winds and proud waves are examples of personification, as here the poet imposes human qualities over the winds and the waves, respectively. Then we have third question. What is third question here? Description question. So we have to use more words. The rapture of the earth. The rapture of the earth includes the withered grass that is shining and swaying with wind as if woken up from death. The trees are tossing their branches, semicolon. The dead leaves are rustling and dancing. The white clouds are hurrying across the skies. The waves in the ocean are lashing, and foam is billowing. It is as if suddenly the earth has come alive and is celebrating, welcoming the change in the weather and the wonderful wind. So, like this, we have completed third answer. In my next part, I'm giving you fourth answer also, as this is not uploading. So, I'm just making it into two parts. In my second part, I will give you remaining answer. Just wait for time being, and the second video will be coming soon.